have been told that AI will stretch your day by automating every single task. But that is a trap. Chanakya, the master of statecraft, would tell you that the king who lets the spy make the law loses his throne. You are currently using AI to replace your judgment. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you why your current AI strategy is killing your business intelligence, and the radical ancient framework for AI delegation that separates the elite from the average. Modern world defines productivity as speed. More apps, more automations, more stretching your capacity to the breaking point. But in the Arthashastra, intelligence is not about doing more. It is about alignment. Chanakya categorized his network into two parts: the Gudha-purusha, the spies who gather data, and the Mantri, the council that makes the final strategic call. Your AI tools, they are your Gudha-purusha. They are excellent at data. But when you let AI move from gathering data to defining your strategy, you have effectively fired your council of ministers. Are you leading your business? Or are you just a puppet to your own tools? You are delegating your sovereignty. So, how do we fix this? First, audit your workflow. If the task requires market understanding or relational strategy, pull it back from the AI. Use your AI for reconnaissance, summarizing, drafting, analyzing, but never for the final decision. The moment you realize that AI is a tool for depth, not just speed, is the moment you stop falling behind. Stop adding tools. Start owning your judgment. This is how you master the modern battlefield.